Right then, boys. Some of you know, some of you don't. This is the T5 I've been looking for. Out of an S10. Older style, mechanical speedo. Or Warner. I think it's everything I need it to be. It's came with the bell housing. I won't need that though. I have to start the research. Old Stolbolt 50's got a lot in his research bank already that I can steal from with save me a lot of time. So I'll be talking to you, Scott, to see how your T5 swap over's doing. And this is not going to happen probably till the fall. I'll pull the motor and tranny right out, but for now I'll just keep running it the way it is. There you go. That was my weekend. We also, I don't know if I told you about these. I scored these rims for my daughter's little step side. I'm going to clean them up and get some tires for them. That's it. That's all. Have a good one, guys.